In this lesson, guys, we'll take a look at another example. Okay, so here I have a sphere and I move the sphere 4 units, okay, to the up. And now, guys, I will hit tab and type grid. Okay, this is the grid. I will make it bigger, something like that. Okay, and I will increase the rows, for example 100 by 100, so we have more points. Okay, this is the sphere and this is the grid. Okay, so now let's add color attribute to the sphere. I will type color and let's change the color to red, for example. And now, guys, I want to transfer the color attribute to the grid. So I want to paint the grid with red color where the sphere is. So for example, if the sphere is in this area, I want the red color be in this area. Okay, I want to transfer the color attribute, because if I middle mouse click here, I see I have CD, which is the color attribute. So we can do that by typing attribute transfer. Okay, this is the attribute transfer. So here, if you hover the mouse, required geometry to transfer attribute to, we want to transfer the color attribute to the grid, and we want transfer the color from the sphere. Okay, so if I click here, you see now I have the red color. So if I click on the sphere, guys, and let's type here transfer node. Okay, sorry, we typed the wrong transform, and let's connect that. And now, guys, if I click on the handle tool, now if I move the sphere, as you see, I am moving the sphere and the attribute of the color moving with it. If I move it up, the color fades. Okay, of course you can select the attribute, and here in the conditions you can set the distance threshold, lower value, so you can decrease the radius of the color. Okay, so maybe you are asking, guys, why when I will use this one. So imagine you have a car that falling down and hits the ground, right? When the car hits the ground, you want to emit the particles at the same area that the car hits the ground. Okay, so you can do that by creating an attribute color. After that, when the car hits the ground and the hitting area turns red, right? After turning red, you can emit the particles from the red color. Okay, that's how you can create dust or debris from the crash of the car. Okay, so this is just an example of how you can use the attributes, so you can go further with that. So see you in the next lesson, guys.